Hi and welcome to this video. I'll be guiding you on the process of how to download and install Sublime Text as one of our code editors. I'll head directly to my browser and type Sublime Text. Depending on the search results that you get, you locate Sublime Text 4, which is the recent build. I'll follow that link, which redirects me to this page where we have a download button. If you click on the button, you'll see this particular page. And since Sublime Text is supported by various operating systems, that is Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, I'll opt to use the Windows installer version, which is this. If you click on it, you'll be able to get a pop-up that asks you to save the installer file. I'll save it. So you can be patient as your download is being prepared. My download is ready. I'll head directly to the downloads option on my browser, and I'll be able to see the download, which is the installer. Click on it. The installer does a lot of the installation work for us, so we'll just follow through the instructions. Next, install, finish, and that's it. So for us to confirm if our download is actually ready, or rather has installed correctly, so and use the recent build, which is Sublime Text 3. You can see our installer actually did the work for us correctly, and that's it. So see you in the next video. We'll be using this particular text editor to manipulate code.